I have lived all my life along the banks of the Snake River, the main artery of life here in Southern Idaho. Growing up in a farming community bordering on the largest wilderness area in the lower 48 states, the river inspires me every day. Its mood changes moment to moment, and it flows through my very soul. Carving began for me in a very unexpected way 18 years ago, creating my first fish with a hammer, rasp, chisel, and a 2x4. It has evolved from this very crude beginning into a career as a professional artist. Creating a decorative wildlife woodcarving begins with extensive field study, photography, reading, and spending as much time as possible observing the species live. Anatomical accuracy is critical. However, equally important is understanding the lives and characteristics of each individual species. And I believe the most important thing is, this is art I'm creating, and it's really all about creating emotions. The thing I strive for in every sculpture is to share with others the magic and beauty of nature, whether it be a moment in the life of a butterfly or as witness to the brave determination in the eye of a little burrowing owl. I develop such a connection with each one during long hours and months of research until I feel one with them. I often am asked, why don't you just use a real branch or pine cone? But hey, to me, that would be plagiarism. The intense challenge of wood carving develops unique skills far beyond drawing and painting, like engineering, physics, and an on-demand invention. Spending up to 20 hours a day working in the studio, sometimes looking through a magnifying headset, working on very fine detail, is physically the most demanding thing I have ever done. It is most rewarding working on commissions with collectors, creating something so personal for them, being able to bring their vision to life. These are your birds in clay. Ooh. They're cold, but you can have them. Yeah, see?
Okay.
Like such.
All right.
Yep. And on your branch, or on your little piece right here, they will be. See if I can do this all at once. Well, he's kind of out. He'll be turned this way so that you'll be able to see this little patch on his head.